The Omomoko Jina is a dry land. They should check again that the ministry does not capture that one as part of a year almost finished
completed.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it can be
completed dams. No?
It can be any news. It's like going to stand by Insuno. No, I say Insuno because Insuno. We have not solved the problem nationally, but we have solved it partisan. And no mayenya solutions to problem.
Yeah.
So I tell you, Bibiada FM. Yeah, the among yourself solution. And be a national issue, no. Yenya solution.
Yeah.
Yenya because one, see, could you say sooner if you near say sooner they actually have we solved the problem? What can we do to solve the problem? We should move beyond the normal Ebra society power, both parties, MPP and DC. So BBI the power biano.
Yeah,
yes, yeah. Yen timemu fonso as a CMA you need that. Na agree down for these political parties, major ones, MPP and NDC. You came wo bra near years, Anyamano. You came. That's what I'm saying straight away. I don't see this as quite relevant. So, for the records, it is not captured as part of the
completed dam project.
So, it's no big deal. But an attention has been drawn that Baku Aka. So, what I say, go to the other ones.
The other ones,
there is a national approach and appeal.
Yeah.
That's why I want Ghana Frontiers, both MPP and NDC. The Omobaya Bribia, you're subjecting to the national interest, not a partisan, political, individual interest.
The records of companies they put in bed,
but
any of the other BEM.
Obi, respectfully, Atik. Imani does not claim. They are a thinker.
A think tank.
It's not that they claim. Or more raising issues. It's a better now. Said the Imani are who are doing any name the STN. So no could pass on person Ghana for who says anything. And other options as well. They can keep petitioning. But to just calm down all this noise. Any Obika so we Jumama we young corner court to Bata. Everyone move into my. Na inano yen kotena baby at say kotena because and adia say you cannot say Imani is just a letter day 3x4 think tank. No, and you might disagree with some of their submissions and their thinking and their beliefs, but it doesn't make them just a normal think tank. They are revered.
One of the best in Africa.
My position is that said you must have been no much my win. Beyond and besides the petition, no more that option. Me person combat mama, you a certain exposure through the Supreme Court of Ghana, and then probably we can settle this matter.
And especially so when the EC is a constitutional body mandated to do what they are doing, you know, to get them to change from a position, you need, you know, to go through the processes of constitution and exactly down.
Because charge after charge, Ubekawe, na easy, na a mass action for Abekasi. Have we solved that problem, Nana? We've not. And I'll be very surprised. Per the Imra, Edwin Charlotte or say it was in relation to procurement. It is a bear. Say, Mammy Jim Mess, actually deputies and the team in Lano, the same thing. As a procurement, there was a problem over there.
Yeah, that's true. You could see, says the high SM 94.7 FM. Gordon Asarabidi Aquabe Kayansa, Ewo Studio. Gordon Aquabe to saying, Yamiadum.
Must also for some much. And there's for some much. I shall mancha could CD.
Put me for wow. And then obey. Very critical resource person am I in the conversation on illegal mining.
Easy as
no problem.
Media one of the few occasions Imani Ghana for and they say Imani Africa on my press conference and also more issue statement release the bar means them pay particular attention.
Okay.
For very good reason.
Okay.
That is what maybe it will be
unfortunate. Pay attention.
Means them pay attention.
To more issues on my raising
this particular one.
Imani
one of the few times I miss them pay attention. Time is of the essence.
Yes.
I was about to hear back to him. Registration about the procurement issues near the other. me na ka me expect say bia kebe committee me ade yi ba ko ba bontin say processes na yi for easy for frame no ade o ma breach procurement law single one what breach procurement law based on that in ye court na kan one no
okofa campaign oni Jacob Zuma aye Canada officer no Martin
illegal.
Well, that's why I'm mentioning
is it illegal? Is it illegal?
It was then. So that's why they were fined.
Who fined them? Ghana?
Not Ghana.
No, go Ghana gas. They know you're a CEO of Ghana gas. Just a Yankee.
Yeah.
One you're finding go to that. One no muda. Look, Cycle Dubai.
Yeah.
Cross Gavao.
Yeah.
One more director somewhere Brazil. Ya for Mantum. A bridge in Yanye. Cross Gavao as American cycle dear. Yeah, directors of more Brazil. They don't move to directors.
Other project apart from cycle.
Somewhere
Kaswa Inter.
Still come as projects for Ghana. Yeah, Jelu, you guys are illegal. What terms of the essence? These are tangential issues.
No, but the first time so you have the essence. Procurement
process better more buso. Jane,
into the Emmanuel original
process better more buso.
But the point, Utie Atik in common in India. The EC Entity Tender Committee, as part of factors almost share to award the contract to Thales, one of them a reputational risk. And Imani's argument, and it say, if you take that factor alone, reputational risk, then probably EC did not do due diligence on Thales.
That was one of the factors.
Absolutely.
Was one of the factors.
Absolutely.
So it means one and others.
Yes, there are other factors.
Yes, and so it can be the priority here. No,
but the point is, even if a one of 100 factors, once a factor, no, there should be due consideration to that factor. And the moment the other says, and we are one of the factors, then the EC should have done due diligence on the background of all the companies before awarding the contract to Thales.
In fact, the company go for more it's surprising. Because for me, I don't imagine what they say. 18th April date on what they said, timelines of what they are by first week in November. Now register, now you're ready. Now political parties will be in your copy. Yeah, maybe the rule. Say, I registered the Panama exhibition. Now challenges are baby to me at my resolve all the challenges before said final register. You compile for me. Those are the critical issues, not these things.
But a critical point again.
A tangential issue. Okay? Check me about. No, but
I'm sure your mind here.
Obi hold my one people phone before quite ball man.
But the man for Eka. Enter me bam be appeal to money obi we say. Say the be say gree.
And say am no. Omo go for reputation obi tin da kokoto ana.
Oh, so why
does it stop easy?
No, it doesn't stop easy, but the point is, if it is part of the critical factors under consideration for the award of the contractor, then they can raise the issue.
What can you say? It should be a more award contract.
Yeah.
Omutify be bear 5, you say, Kachel if I will bakuni. It will only carry 5 marks.
Of course.
It will carry 1 mark.
It will carry 1.
It will carry 2 marks.
Yeah.
Stop a reputation, carry say.
Those are the lot we would have to find.
Yeah, out of the lot, they can carry how many marks? It may not be something substantial. Maybe the peripheral issue. So far as I say, breachy, law beyond the EC must be left alone to focus.
So if you have a situation where Imani thinks that the total loss to the country if the EC went ahead with this plan,
150 million.
Masa,
because of what?
Being a better time, I say, what can you say, dear? With this article, because I can't trust it, dear. One more.
I'm going to say because of what? I said, yeah,
but it's a better. Say, Omoka said, dear, by feather by
exactly because I decided that you see for one. You're telling us that the piano, Uber Cassam, we are free easy, Biano, Uber Cassam, we are free easy, Biano. They don't have the time. And it's almost substantial issues, or should I say, for me, issue back with Binti, make the procurement authority.
Okay.
Just one single issue, Binti, make Jomudi, Obi, no better now.
Yeah.
Okay, your friend say, procurement a drone.
Yeah.
Ceremony. Next ceremony. So, okay. And Yama, let us procurement authority for a Troy. I just say, one side we read the money fair to them. When you say this, can I ref you can farm.
Okay.
Now on my a public company and more appealing, they were actually fighting the Minister of Health. But people ruled in favor of the private company against Minister of Health. Yeah. For me, I believe them.
Yeah.
So is a procurement breach is Biabaswa.
You can petition the
because 7 December it been postponed.
Yeah.
When the need arises there, you need to postpone.
The date for the election
postpone 7 December.
And I'm saying when the need arises.
I just a natural disaster. See.
So there are other options a bit to be postponed.
Options ready here.
Which means emphatic, sir.
When the need arises, I postpone elections
because of this.
Because surgery. It will be so. But you want to go court. But you say court to them. And so go surgery. So go surgery them. And so they come a year first. Office of the special prosecutor. For one in them. You had the internet every home.
My main kind message is Kakana Feyemra back to maybe.